Hello everybody, my name is Minh Quang. Today I'll tell you how to rebuild your Rubik when it's broken. It takes me like 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I think it takes you around 1 hour.
It just struggled the first time when we built the thing in here, then it will be okay. And this is the car. I built this about putting all the pieces together. The large piece in the middle, then surrounded with smaller pieces. You can put it. I am finishing the Rubik from the first line down. You just need to do this the right color. Now the second part is done. Let's move to the fourth part. And then we just need to put it in here. And then done. Now the Rubik is fixed. And this is how to fix your Rubik when your Rubik got broken. So now you can play it again. And that is how to do to fix the 4x4 Rubik. And when it's more than, it will be harder. Bigger and harder. When if you want the 14 by 14, no way to fix it. It will be a lot of time to fix it if you don't. And thank you for watching. See you in next episode.